Hi, I'm Carolyn Forster and I'm going to talk to you today about quilting your quilts by hand but making the quilting process quicker. What we're going to look at today is we're going to look at big stitch quilting. So it's not your fine, tiny stitch, thin thread quilting, it's your big stitches, thick thread, bigger needle quilting. So it's going to make the whole process grow a lot quicker. This little quilt here, this is a sampler that's part of a class that we do. It has the big stitch using the Amish waves in the border here, and you can see how that shows up really nice contrast on the blue fabric there. But again, it's going to grow really quickly. So this particular quilt, this is the Australian bush quilt, or the Wagga Wagga, and this particular quilt has been quilted in an amplified version of wine glass or teacup, or really sort of like salad plate type size of circle was the template for that.